Hello guys, welcome again to Winter Styles. I want you guys to please check out those beautiful short haircuts for beautiful women. I want to with this hairstyle is that they will always be in style. You really don't have to be stuck with the same do for decades. So thinking about cutting your hair short, I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end because there's a lot to really love about short hairstyles. And one thing with this hairstyles is that they are hairstyles for beautiful older black women. This hair, I can just see, it's looking so chic and it's so fun. And one thing about the style is that it's so easy to care for and style. So we are here today in Wendy Styles with plenty of inspiration for a whole new you. And we have some beautiful videos and also video tips and some celebrity inspired haircuts that will really make you look beautiful and gorgeous. So one thing with this style is that the haircut that will take many years off your age, and the style you can see is so beautiful and it's a fashionable style that will always make you look beautiful and simple. So there's something here for every hair type and texture. So whether you have the straight hair or you have the curly hair, or maybe your hair is thick, fine, or even thinny hair, I want you guys to have this in mind that short haircuts aren't one size fits all. So you can expect to always track the styles to make them work for you. So I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end because we have some beautiful hairstyles that are beautiful and varieties of styles coming from the pixies, the boys cuts, the body, and these hairstyles are perfect for women of any age. So here's a quick rundown, on the three most popular options, for you guys to really strike that perfect balance between short hairstyle, like not too long and not too short hairstyle, because they are really a great hairstyles for those who aren't necessarily committed to those pictures, and you can know they come in that range of looks. And one thing with it is that this coat always sits round around the face and always complement the jawline, because the haircut is the shortest of the three and can also be styled many ways. So I would like you guys to watch this video to the end. If it's the first time here, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. So once you've chosen the perfect short hairstyles for you, always be sure to take good care of your hair, but always ensuring you know how often to wash your hair, because you can also use the best DIY videos we have here to learn how you can style it at home, and in my description box where you can see how the product to use to make your hair look good. And here in Wendy Style, check out all of my videos for more, even more inspo, like to check out other styles we have both for younger women and for the older women to the senior ladies. Thank you so much everyone. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next video.